It's fine. Everything's fine. Woo! We're trained professionals here. We're gonna recover from this one, don't worry. So today we got a steak sandwich. We got focaccia bread that we started this morning. This is a nice little salad. So pretty simple. Fruit, lots of fruit in the summertime. This is a fancy Galia melon here. My name is Mark Brownell. I've been working for Fresno Fire Department for about 16 years now. I've always loved cooking. It's rooted deep in my family. I have a brother, he's also in the fire service. He loves cooking. Everything's always focused around food. It always has been. My mom would get up every morning, cook us breakfast, go to work full time, come home and cook dinner for us. Always been a passion just to provide the best. Maybe provide something that somebody's not expecting. One of my favorite tools here in the kitchen. Perfect slices every time, right? I was lucky enough to actually go to culinary school and work in the industry for about 12 years, and then I got here. So my happy space was in the kitchen. It's perfect to make everything you can from scratch. Of course, it's gonna taste better, it's gonna be better for you, and it's just cheaper. There you go, lunch is ready. It's just